Good afternoon, Room 23 students. I want you to take a look at some more shapes. Yes, we're going to continue with geometry. Take a look at the shapes in the picture to my left. What do we call these shapes? Yes, every single one of them. Wow, you are one smart cookie. Yes, they are all polygons. But what exactly is a polygon? Let's take a look at the dictionary and find out. Polygons are shapes that exist in a single plane, that means they're flat, and have at least 3 straight sides and angles. They also have no lines that cross each other, but that's not in the dictionary. I just thought it'd be good to let you know. Right now, we're going to play a little game here that's called What's My Rule? I'm going to lay out a few polygons, and you have to figure out what they all have in common. First, I'm going to put out, oops, that's not the right shape. Let's try shape, letter L, shape H, shape A, and shape F. What do they all have in common? These all are shapes that have the same length sides. We're going to try it again. This time, I want you to look for something that has to do with the angles. That's what they all have in common. We have shape F, M, B, G, K, D, I love that shape, and E. What do you think all of these shapes have in common? All of these shapes have at least one acute angle. We're going to try this one last time. This one has to do with the sides again. So we have L, J, M, D, C, G, O, F, A, H, and, whoops, B. Let's adjust so you can see all of the shapes. What do these all have in common? Oops! I made a mistake. I don't want G, and I don't want B. Now what do these all have in common? These all have opposite sides that are parallel. All of the opposite sides are parallel. You can see why B didn't go in this group, because only one pair of its sides are parallel. Just like G, only one set of its sides are parallel. These two are not, just like in B. So these two gotta go. The last thing I'm going to do is to show you a picture from your math journal. Oops, got to get out of the way of this one. All right, now, Gina drew 4 shapes: equilateral triangle, square, rhombus, and hexagon. She covered up most of each figure as shown in the picture below. Can you tell which figure is which? Write the name below in your comments, left to right, and then I'll know that you've watched the entire video. See you guys tomorrow.